I'm Josh with Skid Pro, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at our industrial drum mulcher. Sheer size alone will blow you away. Almost 3,000 pounds of operating weight. The massive drum on our widest model tips the scales over 1,100 pounds by itself. We are talking about serious mass, steel, and durability here. This unit's built for the most demanding commercial clearing conditions, and talking about putting it on the biggest skid loaders with highest hydraulic outputs in the industry. This unit will go toe-to-toe with any skid steer mounted drum mulcher out there. And not only is this unit a true monster, it is also intelligently designed to be strong in the right places. There might not be an attachment out there that is put through the ringer more than a high-end, high-flow drum mulcher. And our industrial drum mulcher is built to last. Now that we've got build and design established, let's turn to the two most critical features on a mulcher, the drivetrain and the drum. And this is even more crucial due to the super high flow and high pressure that today's big skid loaders exhibit. Well, that is no issue for our biggest bent axis piston motors. Not only does the piston design blow away regular motors from a torque standpoint, the bent axis design adds next level efficiency, which delivers incredible performance and enhanced recovery time to the operator. And if you're looking for a further edge on recovery times, you want to take a strong look at our 2-speed motor option that shifts load under pressure to spool up faster and at a new level of land clearing productivity. The next important part of the drivetrain is what powers the rotor. For that, we rely on our time-tested and field-proven Kevlar belt drive system. This drive system is designed for maximum torque responsiveness and accelerated RPMs for optimal performance. Our Kevlar drive belts not only aid in delivering smooth torque throughout the power band, they add elasticity into the drive system. This reduces stress and increases the life of the piston motor. It's a total win-win in performance and longevity. Now that brings me to the second critical factor, the drum. First of all our drums are dynamically balanced to spin perfectly at high RPMs. This is critical for maximum efficiency and performance. Now before we get too much further, let me explain the two different drum styles we have here. The unit to my right is the ultra-efficient knife tooth and bite limiter rotor, while the mulcher to my left is the proven and reliable double-point carbide ripper tooth. I'd say the more common in the industry is the double-point hammer carbide teeth, also called ripper teeth. Why? Well, hands down, they are the lowest maintenance. In fact, other than a simple tooth check, you're good to go. As long as wear is within limits, just keep on using. This tooth style mulches with blunt impact force, which takes a little more time and has a little bit of efficiency loss. But again, no fuss, no maintenance, and that is a big plus for a lot of guys. This style of ripper tooth also handles rock impacts better than alternative tooth options. So if you're consistently below grade, this is likely the best tooth option for you. It's important to note we can get planer style teeth on the non-bite limiter rotor as well. Now let's jump over to the knife tooth with bite limiter drum. Contrasting the impact force of the hammer carbides, the knives truly cut, and the concentric rings on the bite limiter help to mitigate taking too aggressive of a cut for the knives. So working with the rings, the knives bite just the correct amount, and so they zip through the tree at incredible speed and efficiency. No other tooth design on the market is better or faster. But there is a kicker. The knife teeth do require sharpening, daily and sometimes even twice a day in heavily used situations. To many commercial clearing guys, even with the added maintenance, It is the only way they'd go because of the speed and productivity. In the end, whatever drum you choose, we have a full array of all tooth options in stock to make sure when you need to order new teeth, we're there to get them out quick. The industrial mulcher is also packed full of no-seam features to help make life easier for the operator. Extra large skid shoes for maximum flotation are radiused to help reduce ground disturbance and increase float. Armored Skid Pro hoses with protective nylon sleeves and extra large steel extensions get hoses up and out of pinch points. That means serious uptime protection and fewer breakdowns in the field. Easy access panels on each side and on the top make sure you can get at components for service or maintenance, but that you can keep them out of harm's way while in the field. And just like all our products at Skid Pro, our mulchers lead with an industry best 2-year warranty. Here at Skid Pro, we've got a mulcher for every machine and every work situation. So give one of our expert product gurus a call to help determine the best setup for you and your machine. Or visit the different mulcher videos on our website for even more information. Until then, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.